What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome right back to World Wave Radio, where we bring the world to you. So I'm super hyped about this one. I'm pumped actually about this one because this has been like a topic I've always wanted to touch on. 10 most popular genre of music across Africa. So for those of you who don't know, Africa is not a country. Of course, 10 most popular genres of music in Africa. And yes, you can listen to other genres to inspire yourself, to spark up an inspiration inside you. And you never know, your next hit might come from a song that you heard from Mozambique. You never know. So yes, let's get straight to it after the intro. Ladies and gentlemen, it's still your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy. So yes, this list is in no particular order. I will go from the 10th one to the number 1. Number 10, Juju music. I'm sure a lot of you might not be used to what a Juju music is. We don't actually call it Juju music. It's just called Juju. So Sashina Peters, I don't know, became very popular. I don't know if he started, but became very popular by King Sunny Ade. Yeah, and his Juju band, they call them the they call them his African beats. It wasn't Afrobeats then, it's African beats, and he recorded this in 1982. So yeah, let's see what Juju music sounds like. Juju is a popular Nigerian music genre that incorporates elements of traditional Yoruba music with Western instruments such as guitar and saxophone. So yes, Juju music, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, embrace yourself. Oh my goodness. It kind of gives me a jazz feel, Yeah, so yeah, that's what even forgive me. It gives me a lo-fi feel as well. I don't know if I'm just crazy, but am I? It gives me a lo-fi feel, I can't lie. Because if you take and a jazz feel, yeah. Yes, so moving on to number 9. So this genre originated from Angola and is characterized by a slow romantic rhythm. It has gained popularity in other Portuguese-speaking countries in Africa and is called Kizomba. But moving on, Kizomba. Let's see what Kizomba sounds like.
1, 2, 3.
Quiero separarme de ti, ni siquiera un momento. No quiero perder el tiempo.
I think it's more the dance that is called Kizomba. Oh, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Moving straight to number 8. From my people, Bongo Flavor. Bongo Flavor, a Tanzanian music genre that incorporates elements of hip-hop, reggae, and traditional Tanzanian music. It has gained popularity in East Africa. It took me until last year to realize that Bongo Flavor actually started being a rap music. I didn't know. So the likes of Diamond Platnumz, the king of East African music, a rap track. Exactly. So this is what it sounds like. The new school Bongo Flavor. Are you saying? I'm seeing a lot of resemblance with this and Kizomba. That lagging bounce. Number 7 is hip-hop, a music genre that originated from the United States. I mean, we can say that, but yeah, it's still our people that went to the United States that started the hip-hop thing. So I mean, yes, so originated from the United States but has gained popularity in Africa. African hip-hop often incorporates elements of local music and culture, such as drumming and traditional instruments. So this is simply saying many hip-hop artists blend traditional hip-hop, African rhymes and melodies with modern beats and rhymes. You hear them speaking, putting the language in there. I mean, that's our own hip-hop for you.
It's a landlord, never fold.
You get, this is someone from Kenya, I guess. I don't care, but the delivery is so on point. The delivery is top notch. Number 6 is called Sukus. Sukus is a popular dance music genre in Central Africa, characterized by upbeat rhythm and catchy guitar riffs. I'm trying to turn the volume up. I think Sukus is what gave birth to Makosa or vice versa. I don't know. But Sukus, I've definitely heard this before. The 5th one is actually reggae music, a music genre that originated from Jamaica but has gained a lot of popularity in Africa. It's known for its offbeat rhythm, socially conscious lyrics. Of course, we all know reggae music. So yes, reggae music has a strong following in many African countries, particularly in South Africa. Zimbabwe and the rest. Yeah, and South Africa has given us like many reggae legends, Big love to Lucky Dube, who did this thing. Yeah, so let's listen to Lucky Dube. I'm sure we all know this song by Lucky Dube. They won't build no schools anymore. African reggae music. So moving on to the 4th one, I'm surprised that this 4th one is not actually number 1 because, bro, this has to be the most popular genre in the world. I don't know if not. So yes, it's gospel music. Gospel music is a genre of music that combines Christian lyrics and African rhythms and beats. It is popular in many African countries, especially those with strong Christian presence. Of course, African gospel music, to be precise, is by no means, one of the most popular genres in the world. I think the most streamed YouTube artist, the most streamed African artist was Sinach. Yeah, so of course, Sinach. The first person that came up is Sinach, and the song was released 7 years ago. It's quite popular. The song has shape you, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. I might not know the lyrics word for word, but forgive me, but I know the song actually. So number 3 is Zouk, a popular dance music genre that originated in the French Antilles. That's a new word for me. It is a fusion of different styles of music such as calypso, soca, and salsa. Those are other types of music that we will get into. Maybe we'll make a part 2 for this. It depends on how it performs. Let's see what Zouk sounds like. So yeah, this is Zouk. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear the calypso and soca, salsa thing in there. Sounds sexy. Oh, sounds like Bongo Flavor too, to an extent, it has that Bongo Flavor thing inside. You get, so remember, it is African music. So African music is connected one way or the other. Everything I've been playing since morning sounds like the same genre, but they are different if you listen to what makes them, unique apart from the language. The second most popular genre in African music, according to me, is Highlife music. Highlife music is a West African genre of music that is characterized by jazzy horns, multiple guitars, and it originated from Ghana and Nigeria and has spread to other countries and regions. Originally, if I'm going to be very honest, Highlife music started in Ghana. It's a Ghana genre of music, is of course West Africa, but the whole region that time, that's the whole region, the the whole Niger coast, that's Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, they all have the same genre of music that they all listen to, that they all play, that is popular amongst their people. But originally, the Ghanaians are the ones that, owns it, the Highlife. But it's in Ghana, Niger thing, they were like brothers, man. So yes, Highlife music. Let's see Highlife music. Let's go to Ghana. Bro, tell me this is not the best genre you've heard so far. Ooh, remember jazzy horns and multiple guitars. Come on. It is by no means, one of the best genre. Not because I grew up listening to Highlife anyways, but apart from that, it's like definitely one of the best genres I've ever heard as far as me, Chris, as far as I'm concerned. Number 1. Boom, 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 boom. Pam, pam, pam. Pam, 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 pam. Pam, pam, pam. Pam, 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 pam. What's that? My phone rang. Can you imagine? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Oh, Lord, we thank you for the gift of life. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Number 1, Afrobeats. I know. If it was me, I'll even stop watching the video and I'm like, come on, bro. We already know it's going to be Afrobeat. So yes, number 1 is Afrobeat. Not because of anything, but because it is the number 1. And of course, it is by no means in any particular order. But even if it was in any particular order, it is still number 1. Right now, tomorrow it might not be, but today it is, as of when this video is made. This is the definition according to the research that we did. I'm going to tell you my own definition of African, which is what I'm telling you to stay to learn, so that you don't just go and be saying blunder all across the internet and say Krizbeatz taught you. Krizbeatz did not teach you that. So yes, please stay and watch and learn. Afrobeat, a fusion of West African musical style such as Highlife, Fuji, American hip-hop, R&B. Afrobeat has gained global popularity in recent years, with artists such as Wizkid, Burna Boy, Davido leading the way. So yes, Afrobeat has combined different genres such as Highlife and Fuji music, makes Afrobeat, which is the same reason why if you listen to all the songs that we've been playing, you can easily identify with each one of them and say, oh, it sounds like what's, maybe a Burna Boy. And I'm glad to be one of the producers championing the Afrobeat phase, just like we have the big leagues I just mentioned. I'm glad that you are able to, align with the king of new wave on this one. So yes, so Afrobeats for me, my definition and the definition that we teach in Krizbeatz Music Academy is Afrobeat is the collections of sounds across Africa. Afrobeat is the collections of sounds across Africa. That is the Ghanaian Highlife, the Congolese guitar, the Senegalese zouk, all these sounds across Africa makes Afrobeat. It will be wrong or not right for us to say, oh, Afrobeat is a Nigerian genre. Afrobeat is a collection of sounds across Africa. So, which is why it's so popular right now. If you go to, there's absolutely nowhere in Africa or even across the world that you want to go to, just only a few persons will not know what Afrobeat is, but on the main stage, they know what Afrobeat is. So yes, we'll come to the end of the video. Like, subscribe. Tell me which of these genres is your favorite so far, and which of these genres are you looking at sampling? Which of these genres are you going to sample? So yeah, love, peace.